Tao po! Tao po! Hey! Yeah, hello sa inyo mga kalods, and we are back again with another video na naman na kung saan tayo maglalaro ng isang game na pinamagatang Don't Clap Twice. Yes, itong game na to heavy inspired to sa isang horror game na Don't Clap. Ato yun, yes, parang ganun. And yes, magbabalik na po ako sa Roblox. Opo, medyo I feel better na. Okay? Dahil medyo naka-recover na ako nung naglaro ako ng Non-Massacre. So, simulan na agad video na to. Let's go na. Sa game na ako nag-intro para naman medyo cool and astig tayo dito, no? Para walang ganun-ganun ganyan, di ba? Walang mga sagabal sa buhay natin. I guess awesome.
That figures. She probably wanted to tell Amy about her fight. She blabs to Amy about everything. I wish she just...
Oh! I guess naiintindihan ko ng storyline na to. Sige. Ano to? Poor girl hasn't been found yet. Missing pleasure. Lana Kittinger. Okay, sure. Hello! Tao po! Mamaya na kayo!
Couldn't have turned on like that.
Read the notes and annual notes. Is this the notes? Yes. I told you this was a waste of money.
This was a waste of money. It doesn't even work. I'm going to Amy's until you can fix it.
Teka, sino ba magbabasa? Ako o ikaw? Ina naman eh.
Clap twice to turn on or off.
Check out the smart home. We have removed all the switches. Wait. Clap twice? Wait, where? The question is where? Saan ko gagawin? Dito? Hello? Pucha, late pa yung pagpalakpak. Ang galing. Hello? Di ba ang galing? Amazing! O, papalakpak din ako. Joke lang. Ito na, di naman kayo mabiro eh. Ngeta naman talaga eh, no? Ina nyo talaga. Ayos nga kayo. Oh! Amazing! Amazing policy mo, jeans. Ano to? Amazing so much! Very nice! Let's go! O, dito. Hey! Check the mailbox. Wait lang. Gotta check the mailbox? Bakit naman? Ha? Do I need to? Do I have to? Ganun ba? Wait lang, mailbox. Saan yung mailbox? Ito, this one, yes. Open! There you go. Ano to?
Russell? I just worked with that guy on the Shine account. He
Oh?
was stone cold and ruthless. I think he was dating Amy's sister. I need to call Olin.
So, tatawagan mo nga sa Ellen. What are the flowers in the...
Indeed. It seems that the system has some glitches.
Yeah! This is not some sort of freaking glitches. We need to water the rooms? Ang gara need this one, di ba? Wait. Check the upstairs. Ay, check ko yung upstairs room. I really know. May ganon? Naa. Yan! Wait. There you go. What's up, madlang people? Ha? What's up? Check the upstairs room. Ito ba? Is this the room? Ganon, ganyan. Power, where pa? Ano yun? Kinang-ina nyo, apo. Kinang-ina mo ka, ba't ka nagdadabog? Kinaano ba kita? Water the flower in the bucket. Okay, wala na yata. Sige, wala na. Hey! Putang ina mo! Wala pa! Gulat pa lang yun. Kinang-ina mo ka! Ina mo, nanggigigil ako sa'yo ah. Take! Saan ako kuha ng tubig? Dito? Ay, may garit. Ito. Inang-ina, wala pa yun ha. Wala pa yun. Warma pa lang ba yun? Hindi ko alam. Pero sige. Grabe yun. Hindi, okay lang. Inang-ina naman eh. Okay lang. Sino ba naman ako, di ba? Hehe. Ina nyo. Pag-uuntogin ko na kayo. Water the flower. Yes! Water the flower. Dati akong gardenist, okay? Alam ko yung gardenist. Gardener kasi. To, ba't ka pumapalakpak? Bobo ka ba? Mukha ba may electricity? I just freaking heard something or someone. So, I doubt that we're safe, okay? I doubt that. Yes, ayoko na po. Okay, need to pour the... Okay, sige. Alam ko naman, tol. Alam ko din naman ako kupal. Kupal ka ba, boss? Ha? Boss! Bossing! Ha? Alam nyo ba yun? Ba't ba kasi namamatay yung ilaw? Ha? Papansin ka ba? Inang ina mo ka? Wala kang magawa sa buhay mo. Oh, water the plant. Alam ko, ha? Alam ko, we will water the plant. Kung ano dyan, inang ina mo ka. Where's the last one, boss? Where's the last one, boys? Ha? Where's the last one? Ito. Ito pala. Sorry. Sorry na. Wala na. Sino mapalakpak ng puki ng inang yan, ha? Sino yun? I'm the one who should clap, not you freaking shetaraging kaisaw. Ah, hindi ikaw. It's not on you to decide, you freaking son of a hotdog. Alam mo yon? Well, wala na ako makita ditong bulaklak, so I guess we're done.
I need to call her.
What were you doing earlier today?
I was at work and running errands.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, detective. Have I done something wrong?
Have you noticed anything suspicious around here?
Well, my smart home is acting weird. The lights came on by themselves, and you're supposed to clap.
Any suspicious people? Anyone you don't know hanging around the neighborhood?
Only you, detective.
We're just being thorough. Thank you for your time. Oh, and one last thing. To answer your question, yes, I do think they're all connected. You certainly helped me with that.
What are you getting at? You think because I knew Peter that I had something to do with it?
The thing about disappearances, sometimes the one responsible is closer than you think. You have yourself a good evening. We'll be in touch.
Okay. Well, detective, magtatapon ako ng basura, tapos bigla mo naman akong ginulat. Pukin ng ina mo ka. Alam mo ba yun? Wala akong masabi, ah. Alam bang wala akong masabi sa ginawa mo sa akin, detective, ha? Napatunganga mo ako dun, saglit. Heat up the food and eat. Sino ba yung kumakalampag sa taas? Kanina pa yun, ah. Heat up the food. Food. Is there something on the ref? Yes, sir, we got one. There you go. Maybe I can at least close this one? Yes, I can. Okay, tol, sarado mo kasi wala naman akong pake. Wala akong pake. Pause ako, okay? Pause ako. Pero hindi, tutuloy tayo sa pag-record. Yan lang. Ay! There you go. Where can I eat? Saan ako kakain dito? Am I gonna sit in here? Tol naman, kakain hindi. Tol naman eh. Reheat the food. Yes.
Our top headline tonight. Authorities are now searching for another missing person. Local man Peter Dressler disappeared 2 days ago amid a string of recent unexplained disappearances. Detective Phineas Kane spoke at a sheriff's department press conference earlier this afternoon.
As of now, we're not sure if Mr. Dressler's disappearance is connected to the other disappearances. We're investigating every possible lead and following every tip. No, there are no suspects at this time. However, we will be following up on the most likely leads this evening, and we'll...
Is that why he was here? He thinks I had something to do with it. I need to call him.
Turn off all the lights and go to bed. Okay. Before it, I'm gonna close my door muna, and then turn off the lights. Yes. Let's go here din dito. There you go. Off and off. Dito rin, off din natin. Yan. Is there something else? Oh, hindi. Sa garden na lang yung lights na yun. Tol, sarado mo. Ya, patayin ng ilaw. Huwag ka namang kupal. Kupal ka ba, boss? Ha? Okay. Hindi pa turn off. Akala ko kasi turn off na kasi VHS yung game eh. Pasensya na. So, I cannot really think kung paano yung VHS at yung yung normal game. Is this my room? No, it's not my room. Wait lang. Hindi ko to kwarto. Wait lang. Hindi ko to kwarto. Hindi ko yung kwarto. Pasensya na. Hindi. Gomenasai. Ito po ang aking kwarto. Sleep.
Ladies and gentlemen, step right up and experience the wonder of Pookie
Oh!
Park. At Pookie Park, you'll
May ganito tayo?
imagination and adventure like never before. And oh, what a magical place it is. Meet
Magical
our friendly
place?
puppet pals.
What the fun? Ano yun? Ano yun? 306 na ng madaling... Tapos SCP pa yung ano mo, flash mo. Wow, kupal ka ba, boss? Dang. Ano yun? Now what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to get out of the bed? Naka-turn na lahat ng ilaw. Bukas na rin to. Figure out what's going on. Boss, wag mong papatay yung ilaw. Usapang kwarto lang eh.
Oh my god. What happened?
Figure out what's going. Tol, wag mo papatay yung ilaw. Bubuksan mo yan. Figure out that's going. Ano nga nangyayari? Gusto ko di ba figure out, pero natatakot ako. Kinang ina mo naman eh. O kinang ina mo ka, di mo ba naiintindihan yun? Holy shems. My gulay. I'm never gonna see you again. My notes na naman dito. Okay nang ina mo. Huwag kang kumapang. You did it. Tangina, pinaglalaroan niya na naman yung memory ko ah. Kupal ka ba, boss? Ha? Is there someone showering? It's all your fault. No! Oo! Ano to? Do you recognize PSMB? Hey! No! Open the door! Achoo! You are unable to escape and become another photo from those bare sheet of paper. About missing people, let's search that you became the last missing person in a secret of mysterious disappearances. The missing person were never found. Ending 2. Either way, I'm glad na natapos na yung pinaka game. Anyway, so hopefully nag-enjoy pa rin kayo mga kalods. Alright tayo dyan. Huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-like, comment, share, subscribe. Then road to 2K subs na tayo. Alright tayo dyan. Alright tayo dyan. Palisin mo. Pufa. Stay humble.